If your Logitech G Astro A50X headset is acting weird, like no audio, random disconnects, or not syncing with the base station, it's usually not a hardware failure. Most of the time, the headset just gets stuck in a bad firmware or connection state. That's why even charging or reconnecting doesn't fix it. A hard reset forces the system to completely reboot and clear those internal glitches, bringing everything back to a clean state. The point is doing it correctly so the reset actually triggers instead of just restarting the headset. Once done right, you'll notice the difference immediately. Let's go step by step. Try these. Number 1. Place the headset on a flat surface and make sure it's powered on. 2. Press and hold the Dolby button and game button together. 3. Keep holding both buttons for several seconds continuously. 4. Watch for the indicator lights to flash or turn off briefly. 5. Release the buttons and allow the headset to reboot fully. 6. Reconnect it to the base station and test audio output.